Too bad, I already am.
Oh, whoa. Giggity. What's up? It's Phil Girl. Here.
Do you know who you
We're gonna watch California Boys because I haven't seen it. I wonder what it's about. I wonder if I know a full screen or no. Shut up, I want to hear it.
Good morning. Hi.
Watching this on
Know what place? Where boys look like AC Slater. Warm.
Is that my grandfather?
Like your stepson in the water. Sipping gin and prunes.
He's got bigger boobs than my aunt.
By the palm trees. Chant on. The boys break their necks. Trying to creep a little sneak peek at us. You could travel the world, but nothing comes
He shaves his armpits.
like a bones. Once you see my hips thrust, you'll be falling in love.
I just saw an old dude's.
California boys, we're unforgettable.
The old dude in the back with the cowboy hat.
Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin.
I would so rather watch Katy Perry squirt cool out of her tits and then watch this crap.
And why are you still watching it?
It's addicting, I don't know.
Fine, fresh, fierce, hard as a rock.
That's not rock.
Now put your hands up.
It's not covering your nipple.
Bone tan, fit and ready, staring at boys make me hot and sweaty. Wild, clumsy, dropping so. These are the boys I love the most. I mean the ones, like he's the one. Kiss him, touch him, squeeze his sponge. The boys are freak, I like to spy on him on the beach. Home boys, bang them out, big man ass, hanging out. Tommy and Bobby and Rodney. We are my favorites that make me horny.
California boys, we're unforgettable.
He's drooling.
Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot we'll melt your popsicle. California boys, we're
Didn't sound right.
undeniable. Fine, fresh, fierce, hard as a rock. West Coast represent.
He's hard as a
Now
rock.
Put your hands up.
My vacuum Mississippi.
I really wish you could all.
Stop having an O word. Because you have to watch it to understand. It's like California Girls, but with